Y'all, we're back. Today, Big Nath cooks again. What's Big Nath cooking? Tacos. Carne Asada tacos. This is one of my favorites. Okay, so far what we've done, I do want to show you just all the nitty gritty details of this here, what do you call this thing? Marinade, that's the word. Marinade for the meat. We've got beef flap. I saw at Costco today. When you see beef flap, you make tacos. So what I've done here, I have just a little container I've put my little Ziploc bag in just to hold it up. I got stuff like I got olive oil. I got salt, cumin, oregano, black pepper, juice of lime, juice of orange, hand squeeze with these hands. White wine vinegar, garlic, a few different chili powders. There's a lot going on in here. So here's how it goes. I put it in the bag. This thing's kind of holding it together. Now I'm just gonna zip them up. Oh my gosh, can I zip it? We're gonna get, oh geez. Okay, it's zipping. I'm just gonna kind of mush all this good stuff together. So what's gonna happen, I'm making this day before. I'm gonna let this marinade just kind of coalesce, come together, make something incredible overnight. All the flavors come together. This is just like if you were to, oh wow, why can I not think of words today? You know when you put a turkey in salt water thing, brine. If you brine, you let your brine kind of chill and come together before you put chicken in it, or turkey. So, look at that. Oh, it's got cilantro in there too, forgot to mention that. This is good. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the beef flap in here in the morning. Because we got citrus in here. Citrus tenderizes really fast. So if you were to marinate this overnight or for more than a day, if you have a beef flap, which is really thin meat, it is just gonna melt it apart. If you have like a flank steak, it'll be good. It'll be good. But for me, since I have beef flap, I only need this to be in a marinade just for like a couple hours before I cook it. It'll be really good. So next, I'm gonna make my own salsa, habanero salsa. This stuff is gonna be hot, baby.
This is that beef flat meat going in to the marinade.
Oh, yoy. It's salsa time. Here are my peppers. I roasted them yesterday. Got 6 jalapenos, 5 habaneros. I had more habaneros. I had one habanero commit himself to the flames. Slipped through the grate when I wasn't looking. Little punk. Got some cilantro ready to go. I'm gonna get a bunch of other stuff in here, but first, dicing up these peppers. Am I gonna wear gloves when I dice them up? No. Am I going to rub my eyes and other sensitive areas after I dice them up? Yes. It's just part of the process. Deal with it. People, I'm not with it today. I already put in the cilantro, the peppers, and the onion. I totally forgot to document any of this crap. Anyways, stuff's going in the blender right away. I'll show you some more. Can of whole skinned taters. Oh, not taters, tomatoes. Get in there. Oh. Salt.
Sugar. Garlic.
Lime.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
That'll do. On the blender, we're just gonna feather it. Down a little bit. Okay, go! Go, 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 go! Dig, 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 dig! Hit it! Oh, let's see it. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my goodness, let's get a chip. Where's the chip? There it is. All right, let's chip it up. I like that consistency. Okay. I think I like more like tomato in there. But really, that's not bad. It's got a little kick to it. Nothing crazy. But I think those of you with weak constitution, probably simmer down a little bit. But, I'm happy with that. Oh, baby. Beef flap pulled out of the marinade, looking so good. Okay, this is our setup. We got a little 2-zone going on. We're gonna be searing it first, hard on this side. Maybe like 3 or 4 minutes each side. Move it over to the cool side to kind of finish up. This beef flap is a little bit thicker than normal. So a lot of time, if you get the really good like 1/4-inch thick stuff, all you gotta do is sear it and it's done. This one is, it's about 1 inch thick and some of its thicker points. No, I mean like 3/4. So I'm gonna have to finish it over here, but man, it's gonna end up good no matter what. Flipped it. Round 2 is on. Round 1, nice and seared. Move over to the lower heat section to finish off. Next thing, very important. So we're using white corn tortillas. You do not eat tacos with a raw, well, I mean it's cooked, but a untoasted tortilla. We're toasting those tortillas right here. Same place we made the meats. Oh yeah, that is hot. So we're looking for just to start kind of bubbling up just a little bit. See those little bubblies? It's almost time to flip. Perfectly toasted tortilla. Simple as this, baby. Carne is off the grill. Toasted up them tortillas. Let's slice this up a bit. Oh, baby, yeah, this is what I want. I mean, I want to have still some kind of pinkness going on in the middle. I don't want it to be cooked all the way through, so this is like a medium. Okay, so I like to slice across the grain first just to get a good group of strips. Then I come back, I just basically dice that stuff up. Okay, here's what you do. Take your toasted corn tortilla. Take it and use it to pinch up some meat. Oh yeah. Look at that. Take some of your salsa. And that's it. I mean, if you want to add some pico, some cabbage, or whatever, go for it. I like it just as simple as this. Oh boy. Yeah. Shout out to my man Jaime Salas for teaching me this most incredible facet of Mexican culture, and his Tío Juan. Man. Yeah, buddy.